Hey guys, if you want to buy this Dreame Matrix10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop, then please visit the link provided in the description. Keeping your home clean is one of those tasks that never really ends. Dust accumulates, pet hair finds its way into every corner, and floors can quickly lose their fresh appearance after just a day or two of activity. That's exactly why robot vacuums have become one of the fastest-growing smart home categories. And today we're taking a closer look at two premium options that are designed to make floor cleaning almost completely automatic: the Dreame Matrix10 Ultra and the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2. At first glance, both of these devices immediately feel like flagship products. The design is modern, elegant, and built to blend naturally into contemporary homes. Their docking stations look more like advanced smart appliances than traditional vacuum accessories, which gives you an early indication that these products are aiming to deliver a much more automated experience than standard robot cleaners. When it comes to cleaning performance, both models are engineered to handle a wide variety of floor surfaces. Whether your home consists of hardwood flooring, ceramic tiles, laminate, area rugs, or thick carpets, these robots are designed to adapt to different conditions and maintain strong cleaning efficiency throughout the process. Powerful suction allows them to capture fine dust particles, food crumbs, dirt, and pet hair that often collect in hard-to-reach areas. One of the most impressive aspects of these cleaning systems is their intelligence. Older robot vacuums often moved randomly throughout rooms, frequently missing spots or becoming trapped around furniture. The Matrix10 Ultra and L10s Ultra Gen 2 utilize advanced navigation technology that enables them to understand your home's layout with remarkable accuracy. They create detailed maps, identify room boundaries, and follow organized cleaning routes that maximize efficiency while reducing unnecessary movement. The obstacle detection systems also contribute significantly to the user experience. Everyday objects such as shoes, cables, pet bowls, toys, and furniture legs can easily create problems for less sophisticated robot vacuums. These Dreame models are equipped with advanced sensors that help them recognize and avoid obstacles while maintaining smooth navigation throughout the cleaning cycle. This means fewer interruptions and a more dependable cleaning experience overall. Mopping performance is another major highlight. Modern homeowners expect more than simple vacuuming, and these robots deliver a comprehensive floor care solution. The integrated mopping systems are designed to remove dust, footprints, light stains, and daily messes while maintaining consistent contact with floor surfaces. This helps produce noticeably cleaner floors and enhances the overall appearance of your living space. One of the standout features that truly separates premium robot vacuums from entry-level alternatives is automation. Both models feature sophisticated docking stations that do much more than simply recharge the robot. After completing a cleaning session, the robot automatically returns to the dock, where maintenance tasks can be handled with minimal user involvement. This level of automation dramatically reduces the amount of time required to keep the system operating at peak performance. The convenience factor becomes even more apparent when using the companion mobile application. Through the app, users can access detailed home maps, customize cleaning schedules, adjust cleaning settings, create restricted zones, and monitor cleaning activity in real time. The ability to control and manage the robot remotely makes it easy to maintain a clean home even when you're away. For households with pets, these robots offer significant advantages. Pet hair can quickly accumulate on floors, carpets, and rugs, creating a constant cleaning challenge. The strong suction capabilities and intelligent cleaning patterns help collect pet hair efficiently, reducing the need for frequent manual vacuuming. Families with children will also appreciate the consistent cleaning performance, as busy households often generate a surprising amount of dirt and debris every day. Battery life is another area where both products perform exceptionally well. They are designed to cover substantial floor areas on a single charge, making them suitable for apartments, medium-sized homes, and larger residences. If additional power is needed, the robots can automatically return to their docking stations, recharge, and continue cleaning from the exact point where they left off. This seamless operation ensures complete cleaning coverage without requiring user intervention. The Matrix 10 Ultra represents Dreame's premium vision for intelligent home cleaning. It incorporates advanced technologies, enhanced automation, and sophisticated cleaning capabilities designed for users who want the highest level of convenience available. The L10s Ultra Gen 2, meanwhile, offers an excellent balance of premium features and overall value, making it an attractive option for homeowners seeking advanced performance without compromising practicality. What makes these products particularly appealing is the way they integrate into everyday life. Rather than functioning as simple gadgets, they become reliable household assistants that work quietly in the background. Over time, the cumulative time savings become substantial, allowing homeowners to focus on work, hobbies, family activities, and relaxation instead of spending hours vacuuming and mopping. The combination of intelligent mapping, powerful suction, advanced obstacle avoidance, efficient mopping technology, automated maintenance, and smart app controls creates a complete cleaning ecosystem designed around convenience. These are products that demonstrate how far home automation technology has progressed and how effective it can be when applied to real-world household challenges. And once again, if you want to buy this Dreame Matrix10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop, then please visit the link provided in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.